a voice without a name, a vision without a side. Far too long have we been chosen to choose left or right, red or blue, one side against the other. But what if politics had no sides, only ideas? What if leadership wasn't about identity, but about vision? What if change didn't come from division, but from unity? You don't know my name, and you don't know my face. But does that matter? This is the hidden ballot. No party, no identity, just a future waiting to be written. The question isn't who I am. The question is, are you listening?